Okay, in order to do maths on two numbers, what you're going to have to do to start with is create the first variable called num1. And you might ask the person to input that number. Now, as it's a number, you need to start with int for integer. And then, of course, you need to put input and open the speech marks. So we'll just put enter number 1. We need to make sure you close two brackets because you've opened two brackets. And then what we're going to do, we're going to get them to do that again. Now, rather than type it out again, I'm just going to copy and paste it, and change it to num2 and enter number 2. What I'm then going to have is another variable called answer. And here I'm going to set this to start with as num1 plus num2. And then what I need to do is obviously show what the answer is. So I need to print the answer to the screen. So if I now run this, it should come up and ask me to enter a number. So I'm going to put in 5 and the second number is 10 and it tells me that it's 15. So that's nice and simple. The other calculations that you might do are minus, which is simply that, a times, which is a star, or a divide, which is a forward slash. Okay, so if we wanted to work out the area of something, we could do the multiply. When we run it, if we say that the football pitch is 100 meters long and 20 meters wide, then it's 2,000 square meters. And of course, with that, you could then do an if statement to maybe work out if the pitch is big enough, if the wall is too big, whatever it is that you're working out the area of.